Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. For the Everest base camp, the ascending route that we took, it was from Gokyo Chola Pass, and the descent now, the way back, we are taking the traditional Everest base camp route is through Dingboche, Tengboche. So guys, this what you see here is a memorial site that has been built for the alpinists and the mountaineers. You will be able to spot this place on the way from Lobuche to Tengboche. So this is on the way when you ascend towards Lobuche or descend towards Lobuche. You can see how many memorial has been built here. Several people who have lost their life on the mountains, for them this memorial has been built. This is the memorial of late Babu Chiri Sherpa. By the age of 36, he had summited Everest 10 times, twice in 2 weeks. He spent 21 hours on the summit without oxygen. And he became the fastest climbers of the world's highest peak, climbing it in 16 hours and 56 minutes, thus creating 2 unique world records on Everest. On 29th of April 2001, while on his way to summit of Mount Everest for the 11th time, he fell into a 200 feet deep crevasse and thus he left this world. Look at the snowfall on the way to Pheriche. From Lobuche to Pheriche, the weather has drastically changed, and look at this. It's no rain. Yesterday from Goraksep, we went all the way to the Kalapathar and then came back to Pheriche at around 5:30 p.m. It snowed and it was beautiful walking in the snow. This is the room, and it has a personal bathroom as well. And for this we paid 1000 NPR, and it's worth because we have been in sharing toilets since long. So it's wonderful to have a personal toilet. The hotel room in Pheriche is very beautiful, very nice. They provided with fresh clean sheets, fresh room with attached bathroom in just 1000 NPR, and it was worth. The food is really very nice. I tried some egg curry with rice and it was very yummy. I would suggest to try this hotel for sure. The view outside the Pheriche room. In Pheriche, we stayed at Himalayan Lodge and Restaurant. This is the cafeteria section. It's 9 AM now and we are starting from Pheriche towards Namche. Let's see how much we can hike today. That's Pheriche there. Namche is just 14 kilometers with 7 hours of walk. Usually you can see that the traditional route is very busy. You will find several people going up towards the Everest base camp and going down towards Namche. But that is the reason we decided to take the Gokyo and Chola Pass route, which has less traffic and beautiful views. After an hour of hike from Pheriche, we have arrived at a village called Shomare. Several hotels here to stay. You can hear the Dudh Koshi river flowing beneath. That's the Dudh Koshi river. After Somara village, you arrive at this village called Pangboche, where also you have stay options. The views around are really amazing. From Pangboche, the Amadablam peak is so near. You can see it right there. That's Amadablam peak. Now we are at Deboche. You can see there are nice stay options here, but more of them will be in Tengboche. Deboche has limited stay options. This here is the monastery of Tengboche. From Deboche to Tengboche, it's complete steep ascent, and it took us approximately 15 to 20 minutes to come up. And there is a monastery in Tengboche that you must visit. So in Funkithanga we had some lunch. It was not that great, not nice food. And now heading towards Namche. And from Funkithanga you will take this bridge to go towards Namche. This is the beautiful Sanasa village. You can see lots of shopping stuff here.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. It is at an altitude of 3700 meters. So from here there are two ways to go to Namche, and we are going to do through Kyangzuma, which is the easiest and the shortest path. There is another path from Sanasa to Namche which goes via Khumzung village, which we did as an acclimatization walk in the second day of Namche. Yesterday in somewhere around 9 hours we came from Pheriche to Namche. So we were in Namche at 7 p.m. and we checked into the same hotel, Khumbu Lodge, where we were the first time we were in Namche, and it is a must visit hotel. I would suggest. The hotel people are really nice, the staff is very good, they serve with good food and very clean toilets and rooms as well. And today we are heading back from Namche to Lukla. It's 8:15 a.m. now, and we are heading towards Lukla, and tomorrow we'll take our flight back to Kathmandu. Finally we are at Monjo checkpoint, and here you need to do a checkout after you have completed your trip. That's where you need to do the checkout. It's 5 p.m. now. It's 5 p.m. We are at Lukla checkpost, where we took the municipality permission earlier the first day when we started. So we are happy that we have finally arrived. It's been an exhausting 3 days, because every day since last 3 days we have been hiking at least 17 to 18 kilometers. So yeah, it's too much. And look at this luggage. This tiny cabin is the room in Lukla, and anywhere in Lukla you have to pay around 1,000 per room or 500 per bed. But we managed to get it in 500 per room by saying that we'll be eating here and they can take some they can earn some money from the food we eat. So they agreed finally to give it in 500 per room. When you start from Lukla, the price of the water bottle keeps on increasing. So for example, in Lukla and Monjo, per water bottle, the mineral one is 200 NPR. Whereas when you come to Namche, it increases to 300, 400. In Pheriche and Goraksep, it is around 500 NPR per bottle. Whereas I have been drinking only the tap water. I did not buy any water bottle. But in Goraksep, you have no option of tap water. No one provides you with tap water, as there is no running water at all. I had to buy water as well, which was around 500 NPR per bottle. Good morning from Lukla. Today we have our flight from Lukla to Ramechhap. It's 6:45 in the morning. The flight is at 7:30. I do know a guy from Kathmandu who helps in booking this flight at affordable prices, which are reasonable rates. For an Indian, it costs around 11,000 NPR to 12,000 NPR, and for a foreigner, it is $150 to $170 per person. And with this message, I bid adieu to you guys. Thanks for watching. Emmett Traveler, keep liking, subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.